morning, students. As you all know, we have completed up to exercise C of lesson 2. So, today we are going to start with exercise D. So, what you all have to do? First, you mention at the left side the date of today's lesson 2, kinds of sentences, at the right side classwork because you are doing the classwork, and write the exercise D. Statement is given like this: change the following sentences into interrogative sentence. First statement is given into assertive. As I told you earlier also in exercise B, when we change assertive sentence into interrogative, we can change it like this, that first we find out the helping verb. What is helping verb in this sentence? It is. That is a bat. Helping verb is. So we write like this: is that a bat? And we put at the last interrogation mark. So that is a bat is an assertive sentence. When we change it, we change helping verb. We put helping verb is in front of the sentence. So we change it like this: is that a bat? You also write it like this. Come to the second one. My younger sister is 3 years old. In this sentence, where is the helping verb? It is again is. So we write the sentence like this: is my younger sister 3 years old. So now the sentence change into interrogative sentence. Is my younger sister 3 years old? Come to the next one. They are our friends. This sentence is a simple sentence given in it is an assertive sentence. We can change it like this. First we find out the helping verb. So are is the helping verb there. So we change it like this. We put are in front of the statement like this: are they our friends? Is it clear to you all that how can we change the assertive sentence? If it is simple sentence is given, we can take first we know what do you mean by helping verb. So helping verb is are here. Are we can put into the front and write the sentence: are they our friends? And at the last we put question mark. Okay. So the statement is changed into interrogative sentence. Come to the fourth one. English is my favorite subject. So it is again a simple sentence, assertive sentence. How do we change? We take the helping verb. It is in this sentence also. So we write like this: is English my favorite subject? At the last, when we change it into interrogative mark will be very necessary. So you can put it like this. Come to the fifth one. I go for tuition regularly. This is the simple sentence, but no helping verb is given. See like this: I go for tuition regularly. When there is no helping verb in the sentence, when we change it into the interrogative, always remain do, does will be mentioned before the statement if it is given in present tense. I can told you in the later that what do you mean by present tense. So we change it like this: do I go for tuition do I go for tuition regularly? So the sentence will be changed like this. There is no confusion. Confusion is in this sentence only, that helping verb is not given. So what you all have to do? You have to put only do. So write it like this. Do I go for tuition regularly? Question mark at the last. Now the sentence is changed into interrogative sentence. Come to the next one, sixth one. My school is nearby. How can we change? I told you earlier also that helping verb is given is. So we change it like this. Is my school nearby? And at the last, interrogative mark is very necessary to change the sentence. And what you all have to do, you use blue and black pen. Give one line space between two sentences. Write it neatly, properly, and neat handwriting should be necessary. Okay? And what is your homework? Revise the exercise D, A, C, B and all the definitions of this chapter. Do as same I have written in this notebook. Complete it in your copies, in your fair copy. Okay? Thank you.